Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll explain how LinkedIn works with GoHighLevel and what people usually mean when they say connecting LinkedIn. So this is an explanation only walkthrough so we can set clear expectation before doing any testing. The first thing to know is that GoHighLevel does not have native LinkedIn integration. So unlike tools like Stripe or Facebook, there's no direct button inside GoHighLevel to connect to LinkedIn. When people talk about connecting LinkedIn to GoHighLevel, they're usually referring to using third-party tools, with GoHighLevel acting as the CRM and automation system. In typical setup, LinkedIn is where the interaction happens. A third-party tool handles the LinkedIn activity. Go High Level receives the data and manages follow-ups. Go High Level role is to store contacts, apply tags, trigger workflows, and handle email or SMS follow-ups. What usually possible is capturing LinkedIn leads into GoHighLevel, updating contact records, and triggering automations. What's not native or not recommended is sending LinkedIn messages directly from GoHighLevel or running outreach campaign inside GoHighLevel. So understanding this difference help avoid confusion and account risk. LinkedIn has a strict rules around automation. So testing is usually done separate or dummy accounts and controlled action. The goal is to validate data flow, not to automate LinkedIn itself. So in this video, the goal was to explain how the connection works and what to expect. In the next video, um, I'll walk through testing the setup using Dummy LinkedIn account and explain what data actually reaches Go High Level. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one or part two. Have a great one.